Namaste and Jai Hind to everyone gathered here today. Happy Independence Day to you all. Can I hear back Happy Independence Day?
Happy Independence Day!
That's nice. And first of all, I would like to thank Namaste Kingston team, beautiful Shraddha, Madhur, Anshul, and all, and their great effort in organizing this event and bringing us all together. And these young kids who are hosting, so inspiring. They are doing so nice, and the welcoming kids over there, all are inspiring. It's a great effort. Thank you, team. So. It's I know always speech is not very exciting in our Independence Day, but I'll keep it very short. You have to bear me for a few minutes, 5-6 minutes. Yeah, it's a true honor to stand before you all on this sacred day, a day that echoes with the courage of our freedom fighters, our ancestors, the strength of every human, every child, every soul who carries India in their heart. Today, we honor our roots and routes, and in doing so, we empower the next generation to rise with grace, strength, and purpose. We are one in celebration, one in gratitude, one in the promise of unity. Welcome all once again to India Day celebration. So today, we gather not just to celebrate India's Independence Day, but to honor the spirit of freedom that lives in every heart, every home, and every heritage. As I stand before you, grateful, humbled, and deeply moved, I carry more than titles. Yes, I have one Mrs. India title, Mrs. India Telangana 2025, and Mrs. Charming this year. But more truly, I'm a daughter of India. So if you are proud of your heritage, this question is to you. I want all of your engagement. If you're proud of your heritage, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Thank you. I see all of you, you're proud of your heritage. And as we gather under the sky, British by postcode, Indian by pearls, we remember the celebration is a sacred act. It's not just music and movement. It's a memory, it's a prayer, it's a power. So India Day is not just a date. It's a vibration, a reminder that our roots are not buried. They are blooming. We honor the sari and the shoot, and the bhajan and the beat, the mandir and the marketplace. We honor every mother who packed lunch with love, every father who carried dreams in silence. This is our offering, our uprising, and our unity. So I speak today as a humble speaker of tradition and transformation. Let us celebrate not only the freedom won in 1947, but the freedom we continue to shape through unity, compassion, and cultural pride. We are the human children of two worlds, rooted in India, living and rising in Britain. We carry spices in our kitchens and stories in our souls. Today, we don't just celebrate where we come from, we celebrate who we have become. India is not just a nation, it is a vibration, dances in our festivals, and whispers through the wisdom of our elders. It is the diya lit by our elders and sisters, the courage in every woman who dares to rise. So, yeah, I wanted to hear the cheers from all the beautiful women over there who are my good friends also, who, when I say the courage in every woman who dares to rise. And this year's theme, Empowered, United, Transformed, it's not just a slogan, it's a soul call. Empowered, because freedom is not given, it is claimed. In every voice raised, every tradition honored, every woman who leads with grace, united because we are many, yet one. So, like we speak different languages Gujarati, Hindi, Punjabi, Telugu, English. Our languages may differ, but our hearts beat in harmony. Let me say this not just in English, but in the languages of our hearts. धन्यवाद उन सबको जो हमेशा साथ रहे, जो हमें याद दिलाते हैं कि हम भारत के वासी हैं, चाहे हम कहीं भी हो. Let me tell this in Telugu. మీ అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు. మన సంస్కృతి మన బలం. So to all of you, thank you for carrying culture like a crown, for showing that tradition is not a cage, it's a compass. Let this India Day be a celebration of every dialect, every dance, every divine spark that lives in us, transformed. Because independence is not a moment, it's a movement, a journey from fear to faith, from silence to song. Here we celebrate with color, kindness, and community. We support Akshay Patra, nourishing young minds. We offer workshops that awaken creativity. We savor sake treats that taste like home. This is India, alive, evolving, and inclusive. So let us remember, true freedom begins within. When we release fear, embrace truth, and walk in alignment with our soul's purpose. So this is the independence of our ancestors, dreamed of, and the legacy we now carry forward. Let us honor not just history, but stories. Let us walk forward not alone, but together. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Independence Day once again. Thank you for hearing me.